Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the rear tail lights, brake lights, top lights, guys. Altogether, the rear lights on your truck do not work. Check that fuse, guys. We'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So which fuse we need to check specifically today? For the tail lights, brake lights, stop lights, we'll demonstrate on a 2016 F150. If we open the hood on that F150, right under the hood, guys, you're going to see that we have, that's the engine compartment here. And right behind your car battery, you're going to have a fuse box. That's a fuse box here. You open that cover and you're going to see a layout, okay, just like this one. This one will be the front of the truck. This is towards the back. Before we explain which fuse we need to check, let's explain why it's important to test fuses, relays, that way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So now the fuse, guys, for the rear tail lights. First, you have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be Ford specific, hard to find, overpriced as well. So we'll recommend to keep some spares. We'll put a link in the description of the video below if you want to see where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. We'll be working in that fuse panel right here, and the fuse that we'll need to check for the tail lights, brake lights, guys, okay, and stop lights will be in that row right here, the very top fuse, 7.5 amp fuse. That's the ones that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.